It's not very big. It's about 6 inches tall. I'll show you that here in a second. And just a couple inches wide. Power it up. Looks like it does need to be charged out of the box. It also comes with a little case. So how cool is this, right? So you got a little USB cable for it, little USB charging cable. Then you got a different attachments for depending on what you need to inflate. So this is going to go on the end. There's a hole here on one end. Ends for, you know, different types of things you may need to pump up. Again, like I mentioned, like footballs, basketballs, bike tires, things like that. All right, I'm going to check the tire pressure here. And we got 29. So I want to pump this up a little bit. So I'm going to, let's go 32. We're going to hook this up. And then we're going to press